The traditional retirement plan for most is to save for their golden years by putting money into a retirement account. You might want to consider an annuity as your retirement plan. An annuity is a retirement savings plan that pays periodic payments to you, typically over a period of years. You can buy an annuity with your own money, or through an employer or retirement plan. The most important thing to remember about annuities is that they are not guaranteed. If the market for annuities declines, your payments could decrease. And even if the market for annuities continues to rise, your payments could still decline if you don't meet certain income requirements. There are a number of factors to consider when selecting an annuity. How long you want the payments to last, the rate of pay, what type of benefits the annuity provides, and whether you want to surrender your rights to the payments in case of death. An annuity is a contract that pays an ongoing stream of income to you or your beneficiary. Annuities are designed to support your retirement lifestyle by providing a steady income while allowing you to continue working. Annuities come in a variety of shapes and sizes, so it's important to choose the right one for you and your needs. Here are some things to keep in mind when choosing an annuity. Annuity rates vary based on your age, the type of annuity, and how long you have been maintaining the policy. A surrender value is an amount you pay to have your contract cancelled early. If you purchase an immediate annuity, you may forfeit any accumulated growth on your investments. If you purchase a deferred annuity, however, you may still have access to any growth on your investments if you cancel the contract before it matures. It's important to discuss your specific retirement goals and needs with an advisor before making a decision. You have plenty of time to save for retirement. When you are ready, consider an annuity to help finance your retirement. The key benefits of an annuity are that you do not have to make a monthly obligation, and the income is tax-deferred. There are a number of different types of annuities available, so it is important to choose one that fits your needs and budget. One important factor to consider when choosing an annuity is the term. A short-term annuity will provide you with a fixed rate of income for a specific period of time, while an indefinite-term annuity will provide you with an income stream that will continue until you or the beneficiary dies, or the annuity is terminated. Long-term investments can also be made in fixed or indexed annuities, which offer a guaranteed rate of return regardless of market. Here are some tips on how to choose the right annuity. First, make sure you have enough money saved up to pay the initial premiums and the annuity's monthly payments. Next, there are traditional annuities, which give you a fixed rate of return every year, and index-based annuities, which tie your rate of return to a specific index or market index. Finally, some people want an immediate payout, while others want more flexibility in their retirement income. Talk to an advisor about which type of annuity is best for you. It's important to plan for an annuity when you start earning your income. Retirement planning is for the long term. This can be a great way to ensure that you have enough money saved up to live comfortably during retirement, without having to worry about making big expenditures right away. Good luck! Thank you for watching. The above is not financial advice and is only for education purposes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you.